Next question. When was Quixote, Salman Rushdie's 14th novel, published? Options: 2009, 2013, 2015, 2019. Correct answer: 2019. Quixote is a metafiction that tells the story of an adult Indian American man who travels across America in pursuit of a celebrity television host with whom he has become obsessed. Next question. The literary prize Booker of Bookers was awarded to. Options: Martin Amis, Salman Rushdie, Girish Karnad, Kamla Markande. Correct answer: Salman Rushdie. Next question. Which of the following is not written by Salman Rushdie? Options: Enchantress of Florence, Midnight Children, The Cat and the Shakespeare, The Ground Beneath Her Feet. So correct answer is The Cat and the Shakespeare. Next, these are some notable work and important books written by Salman Rushdie. Girima's first book, 1975, Midnight Children, Shame, The Satanic Verses, most controversially novel, and The Moor's Last Sigh, 1995. And next, The Golden House and Quixote is most important. And the Joseph Anton, a memoir, it's a autobiographical novel, so read about it. Next question. Salman Rushdie's Midnight Children depicts options: British Raj's cruelty, India's transitions from Raj to Republic. Only the authors attempted to create a new English language, the none of above. Correct answer: India's transitions from Raj to Republic. Next question. Match the following work with the date: The Moor's Last Sigh, Shame, The Fury, The Shalimar, The Clown. So correct answer is option A. The Moor's Last Sigh, published 1995, Shame 1983, Fury 2001, Shalimar the Clown, published 2005. Next question. In Moor's Last Sigh, how many sisters does Moor have? Options: 1, 4, 2, and 3. So correct answer: 3. Aurora nicknames her children Aina, Minnie, and Maina. Of course, the fourth child is Moor. Next question. Haroun and the Sea of Stories incorporates elements of magical realism. What is that? Options: literature that depicts fantastical elements as a normal part of the real world, stories about magicians, writing that has a magical effect on you, literature that shows the world in the most realistic way possible. So correct answer is option 1, literature that depicts fantastical elements as a normal part of the real world. Now we take a quickly revision of these questions. So let's start. What is the full name of Salman Rushdie? Sir Ahmad Salman Rushdie. Next, Salman Rushdie is British. What he was born and spent his childhood in Mumbai in India. Next, Salman Rushdie's fourth spouse name, it's Padma Lakshmi. Next, Salman Rushdie's which book won Booker Prize in 1981? It's Midnight Children. Next, Salim Sinai, protagonist, is a character from which novel? Correct answer: Midnight Children. Next, when are Shiva and Salim, the protagonist of Midnight Children, born on the 15th August 1947. Next, who was Salim's biological parents? Answer: William Matford. Next, who was Shiva's biological parents? Answer: Amina Sinai. Next, who was Salim's ayah and the surrogate mother? It's Mary Pereira. Next, Rushdie's which novel was the subject of major controversy? Answer: The Satanic Verses. Next, due to the fatwa issued in 1989 after The Satanic Verses came out, the Rushdie was forced into hiding. How many years did he spend in hiding? Answer: 10 years. Next, in which year Queen Elizabeth II knighted Salman Rushdie for his services to literature? In June 2007. Next, What was Salman Rushdie's rank in the list of the 50 greatest British writers since 1945? Its rank of 13th. Next, which book was he published in 2012 on account of his life after the Satanic Verses? Answer, Joseph Anton, a memoir. Next, what is the name of the first novel of Salman Rushdie? Its Grimace, published during 1975. Next, when was The Golden House published? It's published 2017, 17 August 2017. So next, when was Kishore Salman Rushdie's 14th novel published? Published during 2019. Next, the literary prize Booker of Bookers was awarded to Salman Rushdie. So next, which of the following is not written by Salman Rushdie? So correct answer, The Cat and the Shakespeare. Next, Salman Rushdie's Midnight Children depicts India's transitions from Raj to Republic. Next, in Moore's Last Eye, how many sisters does Moore have? Answer, 3. Next, Haroun and the Sea of Stories incorporates elements of magical realism. What is that? Answer, literature that depicts fantastical elements as a normal part of the real world. Next we move on to quiz of these questions. So try to give answer of this question in a comment box below. So first question is, what is the full name of Salman Rushdie? Salman Rushdie's fourth spouse name. Next, Talim Sinai, protagonist and the narrator, is a character from which novel? Next, in which year Queen Elizabeth II knighted Salman Rushdie for his services to literature? Rushdie's which novel was the subject of major controversy? I hope you enjoyed this quiz and learned so many important facts related to Salman Rushdie. So see you soon. Till then, okay, bye.